I'm Hammad Rind. I'm a writer and I write in a few languages. I am originally from Pakistan. I've been living in Wales for about 12 years. I decided to learn Welsh for many reasons, actually. Firstly, my children go to a Welsh school, and I thought it was important for me to learn the language, the medium of their instruction, their education, and I wanted to discover writers, Welsh poets. So there were many reasons for that. Dysgu Cymraeg Caerdydd services have been really helpful in so many ways. Firstly, the facility, firstly, the easiness. For example, I've been learning through an intense course, and that's helped me a lot in being able to use Cymraeg, in being able to use Welsh almost every day of the week. Also, I do it online, and for someone who works full-time, it's really easy, very convenient to do the course, in my lunch break. So yeah, there are so many different possibilities and classes for anyone who wants to learn Welsh. I like learning Welsh for various reasons. Firstly, so that I can communicate with my friends, with the community around me. Then reading in Welsh has been a great experience. Discovering Welsh writers, Welsh poets has been great. So yeah, there are a lot of reasons for which I've been learning Welsh. The tips I'd give to someone who's just started learning Welsh would be: don't be scared, enjoy the experience. It's a beautiful language, and also read as much as you can, because reading has been really helpful for me in learning patterns, in learning vocabulary. Yeah.